This is Dream, and I'm here today with Claire, who's the expert nutritionist at Ella's Kitchen, and we're going to be talking about what to do on day one of weaning. On the first day when you start, because it's always an exciting lead up to it, like how do you start with weaning?
It's best to try and find a time where your little one's not too hungry or tired, so not when they're just about to go down for a sleep, or if they're super hungry for a milk feed, they're going to be too distracted for it to be a nice experience. So maybe just after a milk feed, after they've woken up, try to remove any distractions. So if there are other kids in the house, maybe a time when they're at school or nursery, no TV or radio, and then that's a really good time for you to start weaning.
How do you know how much to make when you start? Because I found that sometimes you make too much or you don't make enough.
So to begin with, it's just about offering really tiny tastes, because your baby will still be getting most of his nutrition from the milk that you're giving him. Just like 1 or 2 spoonfuls, just be led by his appetite. So, a few spoonfuls to begin with each day, and then building up the amounts gradually, particularly of a variety of vegetables, because those vegetable tastes can really help them learn to accept more savoury flavours. And studies show that the more variety of vegetables you offer early on in weaning and throughout, the more likely he'll be to eat vegetables when he gets older.
So if I was to make a puree, how would you suggest is the best way to make that?
So initially you want the texture to be quite thin, because if your baby's just been used to milk, that's got quite a thin texture. So what you can do is take vegetables, for example, if you're starting with veg, and steam them or boil them until they're soft, a lot softer than you would eat them yourself as an adult, so that they will blitz down easily. You can mix them with either breast milk or some of the cooking water. Breast milk's ideal because it's familiar as a taste to him, so it will help him to learn to accept those vegetables. But if not, you can use the cooking water to blitz it down until it's the texture of like a sort of pouring cream or a runny honey texture, and then just offer him a small amount just on the end of a really nice soft spoon.
Amazing. Thank you.